Welcome back here to court number 1 at the Battle of the Queens. K9 and Jackson Gore in the booth here.
What's up, chat?
What up, dude? You're loud?
No,
oh, you're your mic?
I'm fine. Yeah, I just said it a little too loud.
Yeah, that's all right. We got you. What up, Jamie Graham? Welcome in, brother.
Jamie's.
No Almanza. Everybody checking in?
Almanza, you should be playing at Bag Mania. I don't know why you're in chat.
Probably in the king seat. You know how long them waits be sometimes?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so let me take a look here at the brackets. Here in Tier 1, on the winner's side, Yeti Irwan up 18-9 over Robin Kennedy. Right below that, you got Susanna Perry 7-0 over Crystal Holt. Dawn Faye down 14-0 to Deb Odom. Cheyenne Bubenheim 4-0 over Sandy Peacock.
Sandy's a dog.
On the right-hand side, we got Jenna DeSau and Sammy Robinson getting ready to start. Addison Reniger and Sarah Cassie will do battle. Here on court 2, though, Chow Lee will take on Miranda Coy. Over on court 13, Connie Altice 30 and Lori Duell 0. That is in your B bracket. Over in your A bracket, on the left-hand side, Amy Bubenheim is continuing to put bags in the hole. She wins 21-11 over Kelly Karanovich. She'll play either Vanessa Fillingham or Kaylee Hunter. They're underway. It's 11-8. Vanessa in the lead over on court 6. Maddie McBride against Christina Morgan. On the right side of the bracket, Sissy Sewell and Carissa McCauley on court 7. Cameron Belvin and Kimberly Jenkins on court 3. Sam Finley will play Rosie Streaker on court 8. And then Zoe Gann up 10-2 over Jennifer Robinson. Let's go ahead and get into this one, though.
What's up, JB Graham? He said what's up. Why aren't you playing here, Jamie? It's Battle of the Queens.
Oh! Pop, 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 pop. Jackson fired. Pop, pop, pop.
At least last night you should have been here. This is live, right? I know Miranda's throwing pro snipers. I don't know what she is throwing.
I think these are assassins.
They are?
They're the same ones she threw last time. Don't really see anybody throw assassins. I like when people throw different bags, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I have a set of assassins from last year. They're money, but they're fast for me.
Whoopsie.
So. Uh-oh, Miranda misses her push.
There's somebody earlier today throwing warlocks. I was like, yes.
I do not personally. I'm not a big fan of the warlocks. No? The slow side's slower or faster than the fast side.
I just like seeing everybody throw different types of bags.
It's 1-0 Miranda. I'm gonna turn myself down a little bit.
Your headphones are there if you want to turn your headphones down. That's better.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Is this one?
Is your levels too high? Let's turn it down to, let's go 46.
46.
How's that? Say
this
something.
Sounds good right
That's
now.
Good?
Yeah. I feel like I'm fine. All bags down the middle and in.
What up, Maureen, the roll queen in the house?
4-bagger for Miranda. And that's a double 4-bagger. Social. I don't have a drink, sorry.
Social. No, the ladies just don't participate. The ladies don't know. Lexi, social. So, there we go.
Hey, Miranda got you. Miranda got you.
Miranda knows what's up. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Priest. Did you beat Michelle? You did. I had to call you out. You were taking too long to get to your board.
Fired. So, commentating or directing a tournament, Jackson, which one do you like better?
Commentating, 100%.
Let's go.
I can't deal with all the drama of running a tournament. It's like I run. My family. Well, technically my dad and my sister, but we help out. We run locals, and oh my gosh, I can't stand like how people complain and stuff. It's so. It's a 10-10 wash. Score means 1-0 Miranda. Hey. Cash games on court 40 after this. Because the men
you get kicked out, man, for throwing bags.
No, that's for right now. Men can't throw right now, but men can throw it once it's done. Or once it's winding down.
Is that what they said?
Oh, that is a bag off the back from Miranda.
Sounds sus. You sure that's what they said? I mean, we got Lexi's just getting ready. I think Lexi's getting ready to play her first match. So
I know. Yeah.
There's no way we got extra boards.
No, I'm saying like later once it dies down and like the brackets move along. I'm gonna be making TikToks. I already got a TikTok on your court.
Let's go.
It was when oh, that's a big 5 spot. 5-1. I don't know how to say her name, so you just gonna
Chow.
Chow or Shao?
Shao Li.
Shao Li.
That's what I'm going with.
All right.
Sounds legit, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Why can't
it
I figure
does.
out which? There we go.
Miranda done unplug the tablet.
Oh,
There she
man.
goes. Or unplug the charger from the tablet. Man, I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I am hungry. Kimberly. Katie was going to go buy some chicken strips, and I told her I was going to steal
From where?
them. I don't know. I guess here.
I'm about to go get Zaxby's probably.
Don't sound bad. Can you bring in food?
No, you have to eat it outside. This could be 2 for Miranda. Showley, you said, right?
That's what I'm going with.
All right.
That's what I'm selling if you're buying.
Sneak in for a 4. Oh, and she knocks it
Taps in. Missed it.
5-1 remains the score.
This will be a huge win if Chow's able to pull this one off.
Yeah. She looks like she's right down the middle. I think she's on the fast side, right?
I mean, that's kind of what this whole tournament is designed around, though, right? You want to see somebody that you're not used to seeing on the broadcast courts.
Yeah.
You want to see some upsets happen.
At
I mean,
every
you got your usual suspects. We fully expect Cheyenne to walk away with a dub.
Yeah.
But how awesome would it be if Xiao Li is the one who takes down Battle of the Queens?
Oh, yeah. Cheyenne's got a pretty hard game. That Sandy Peacock, she's legit. She won the women's only blind draw, but she was cooking.
Good blocker there from Miranda.
They actually played each other first game in rounders today, her and Sandy. And Cheyenne did win 21-10, but definitely could have been closer. 4-bagger makes it tied up at 5s.
Peyton Haynes, Mike Patterson, what up?
That's my fellow Las Vegas high roller, Peyton Haynes.
Peyton Haynes. Surprised she's not here this weekend.
Oh yeah, I had her in last year's blonde draw.
Doesn't she live
in Virginia?
Oh yeah, like close.
What's it called?
Virginia's close, right?
Yeah, it's like probably 2 hours, an hour maybe.
Peyton, where you at? We're calling you out.
I drew her in the Battle of Queens blind draw last year, or in that AR blind draw or whatever, Friday night. And I'd say it's more on me, but I did not throw worth a crap. So
another double 4-bagger.
Yep, social. Who? Who'd she say? Did she say Mr. Gore?
Oh, I don't know. If you need to go check, you can. I'll give you permission.
No, I'm not gonna go check.
You have to push up.
Amanda, you looking for me? I'm trying to see if she'll see me.
Who's this?
Oh
Brian
my
Warren?
gosh, that's that man himself.
By
Something
5
big
here.
just happened over there in basketball.
I'll tell you what, man. Some of these basketball players, even though they're in high school, are like 8 foot tall.
Yes.
Get the scoreboard update here in a second.
I
Hopefully,
think
it's
I need to
5-5.
go help her because Keck's not there.
All right. Yeah, go help out. That one off to the side a little bit. Had an opportunity instead. I think Miranda's getting more on the board now. Ten to 5 now. Looks like the scoreboard updated itself. And Miranda's final shot lands center lane. Bar soap opportunity. I think she might have went for it, actually. I think she might have actually went for that there, bar soap. I would have loved it. Get some crazy shots in. Why not, right?
I'm trying to call Rich, right? And he literally sent a picture of himself saying, I'm grabbing coffee with my boss. I'm like, okay. I shocked him.
It's his turf, man. It's shocking everybody.
Yeah, that's a question.
See if Miranda can collect that. Nicely done.
All right.
Steps out just a little bit to get that collect.
Miranda's in the lead now. Oh, that's 2, right?
And then misses bag number 4. Right as we thought she was going to finish that one off. You got some points.
10-9. No, 11-7. My bad. I didn't see that round, guys. So I guessed. Someone. So what the question was up there was it was someone had won the game, but they flip-flopped the scores, so the other person had the other person winning. And I was like, I can't do that. I can do anything else besides that. That's really like the only thing I don't know how to do. Oh, that's 2 off, right? It's gonna be big if she can roll it or block or go through it. Yeah.
Decides to drive through.
6.
Oh man, slow up around there for Choua. Miranda's going to take full advantage.
17-7.
10-point lead now.
Oh god.
Chewy, Bubba, what up? Welcome in, guys. Still on the winner's side here, Miranda Koya against Choua Lee. This is a B bracket matchup. 2 brackets in Tier 1. 4 divisions
tiers.
total.
Miranda can sneak in that left side if she tried it. It's a big shot for Choua Lee. She missed. She just, I mean, one of those is still grabbable for sure. I don't know about the one on the back there. She's got to get one in though.
I'll say the airmail could take Miranda's bag as well, but that still might be the shot. Oh, no.
Yeah, it was.
That's the exact opposite of what you wanted to do. She knocks herself off the side. Miranda picks up the 6, and that's going to do it. So Miranda Koya takes it down here at the Battle of the Queens singles action. I don't think we need to necessarily take a commercial break. Let's go ahead and check in on the crowd. See what the crowd's up to, man. What are they up to? Look at them chilling. They're all just kicking it.